Chairman, would you come and sit down here?
They said they are finished the inauguration.
We are finished. Directly from
Yeah, thank you.
I heard the chairman had opening remarks.
Very good opening remarks.
That will come and meet here in Abuja. I want to thank my exec for honor me having the meeting here at my place. And the next meeting we're going to have again will be in Sokoto, where our governor for Sokoto will host. Just inform you that we had good discussions. As we said, this is an ongoing process. And the more we meet, the more we continue to share our views about the importance of the unity of our party, because we believe it's only PDP that has really the solutions to help us get out of the problem we're in this country today. And it's important as stakeholders, as key leaders of this party, that we're seen to be united. Some of the decisions we've taken today also is that we're going to embark in reaching out to other aspirants. We had already, of course, identified senior leader of the party, the Waziri, and also other aspirants across the country, and also stakeholders, some of their former colleagues and governors also we're going to reach out to, all part of this process of bringing us together and uniting the party ahead. The major issue and the message we want to put across to Nigerians is that the country is larger and bigger than our individual interests, and we are committed to that process because we believe that once we unite as PDP, we will lay the foundation there for a strong party that will help in delivering Nigerians from the challenges that they are facing now and prepare for the country to be much stronger as we go ahead. So this is a process, but we think it's important to continue to carry it along, to keep you informed that all we are doing is for the interest of the party and for the interest of the country. Leadership is to look at interest, but those interests should not be larger than the interests of the country. There's no way we've seen over the years that a party that is united, particularly where aspirants come together, gives a better opportunity of building a strong government. So our plan is that, yes, there are challenges. Of course, we're all eminently qualified, all eminently, even those who are not here, who we're going to meet with. That's why we're going to meet with everybody, to reassure everybody that it's also across the country that let us continue to discuss and meet and address those challenges. I'm hopeful that we will overcome those challenges because our desire for a better Nigeria is what is really driving us. And we do hope that we will do it. And we'll keep you informed as we move along.
Some Nigerians are of the view that this consensus arrangement is simply to shut out Elijah Abubakar from the race. How will you react?
Those are those people who just are mischievous, who never see any good out of anything. We're not shutting anybody out. As we said, we're going to see him. We're going to see other aspirants in the party. It's not about shutting anybody out. It's about uniting everybody with the interests of this country. And you will see when we begin to move around that we were not limited to anybody. Thank you so much.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.